Humans have a fascination with animals. Whether they're pets or wild animals, people want to see them and understand them better. Today's conversation topic for English learners is animals. What conversations would you have with others about animals? What would others say to you? Here are a few suggestions. You're at a pet store with your parents since you've decided to get a pet. You're looking at cats, dogs, and reptiles. What would you say to your parents? What would your parents say to you? You're at the park with your dog when you see a dog trainer who's conducting a class. You want to train your dog as well. What would you say to the dog trainer? What would the dog trainer say to you? You're at an animal shelter and you're looking at cats, hoping you could adopt one. What would you say to the animal shelter employee? What would the employee tell you? Many Americans care about animals and are pet owners. You may want to think about and practice talking in English about animals.